What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. If you've been enjoying this series, please consider subscribing. I try to get as much value as I can out there, but yeah, if you've been enjoying, please consider subscribing. But today's topic is going to be about padding. So the space between the contents of the box and the borders is going to be known as padding. So padding is like the space between a picture and the frame surrounding it. In CSS, you can modify this space with the padding property. So simply, you can put how much padding you want, and it's going to do it for you. So in the example above, we put 10 pixels of space between the content of the paragraph or the text and the borders on all four sides. The padding property is often used to expand the background color and make the content less cramped. If you want to be more specific on the amount of padding on each side of the box's contents, you can use padding top, right, bottom, and left. Each property affects the padding only one side of its content box, giving more flexibility and customization. So in the example above, we only modified the padding at the bottom with 10 pixels. Now in a single line, set the navigation li right here to have 20 pixels of padding. So padding, we'll do 20 pixels, run it, there we go. And then look at the red boxes at the bottom of the web page. Right here, yeah. And then set the share a dot share a, and we'll do padding. They want 14 pixels for that one. So let's run it, and there you go. That's how you basically expanded it to make it less crowded right there. And then set the top and the bottom padding of the H2 elements to 20 pixels. So let's find H2, and then we'll do padding bottom, which is going to be 20 pixels, and then padding top, which is going to be 20 pixels. That did not work. Oh, and set the left and right. Oh, I did not see that. That makes sense. Let me see. Where is it? H2, yeah, right there, okay. And then padding left, padding left, we'll make it 30 pixels, and then padding right, we'll make it 30 pixels. Let's run it, and there you go. There you have it. So the H2 elements have a little bit of padding as well. But yeah, that just makes it look so much cleaner and nicer right there. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. I hope you guys learned how to add padding to your web pages now. And yeah, until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.